Well, hello, Cancer. Hi. Hi. Happy Independence Weekend. Yes, thank you so much for that. I'm Tess with God Sent Me Tarot, and this is Grogu. Yes, he's getting the spirit of things. You know, this is all new for him. Yeah. Yes. And, you know, you've been around, and here you are in the United States of America, where we celebrate Independence Day. Independence Day. Yes. Uh-huh. And so, I'm so happy to be here with you, Tess, God Sent Me Tarot, Grogu, hanging out with Cancer. All right, we're going to do a fireworks of our cards, all the cards and the runes. And we have the background of fireworks going on outside. Yeah, the Emperor. The Emperor. And yes, we have pets. We have Floyd. He's 16. He's a cat. He's been around for a long time. He just goes and nestles himself in somewhere. And then, yeah, and then we have Hopi. He's going to be 2 years old on my birthday this year. And yes, I'm so lucky. Anyhow, they are able to handle it. All right, so now we're doing the fireworks of tarot. Fireworks of tarot. We're now on the mythical goddess tarot. I'm gonna find out what's happening with y'all. Cancer. This is happy birthday. Happy birthday. I'm like all intense on July 4th and the birthday of America, the home of the free, the home of the brave, land of the free. So anyhow, I am so happy, and I hope this is going to be a great year for Cancer. Okay, here we go. Good year for you. Hope you're enjoying your birthday month. Yes. And now we get the fire. Delight, the Emperor, and Delight. 3 of fire. 3 of fire, which is like the 3 of wands. Delight. Delight. Look at Delight. All right, we're going to do Moonology. Yeah, Moonology. Here we go. Here we go. And these have not been coming out fast, but Moonology Oracle card is giving you a message saying be bold and make the first move. Make the first move. Be bold. So you got the Emperor, meaning you are bold. Delight, for sure. Make the first move. Yes! It's so funny. It's so funny because we're going here in the south. We got fireworks going off, and then we have Elsa coming up through, and so it's like fireworks. Then we got a band of rain. Then we got fireworks. Then we got a band of rain. It's funny. Oh, I think it's so funny. All right. Very happy to be here in the land of the free. I'm a veteran. I was in the Navy, and I'm very proud of that. We all do our part. Snake, shed your old skin. Shed it. Shed it. Your angels and ancestors. Shed your old skin. Shed your old skin. Okay? Angel answers. The fireworks continue. Cancer. Trust. Wow. Trust. Oh. gorgeous. Starseed. Starseed. Oh, the Starseed Oracle. I mean, isn't this fun? I think it's fun. You know, I try not to do things too ordinary here on our show. And we got the Star Keeper. We got the Star Keeper. Woo! You know about the Star Keeper, right? The Star Keeper? Yeah, you know. Cosmic Ancestor. Yeah, see the light by staying grounded. Right? Yes, you know. Star Keeper, Cosmic Ancestor. See the light by staying grounded. All right, Cancer. All right, now we're going to do a rune. We're coming back to that. We're going to do a rune. Are you ready? Yeah, I know you are. You love doing the runes. He loves doing the runes. Thank you, Grogu. Thank you, Grogu. Whoa, Rado! Rado! Chariot, travel, journey, evolution. That is your runes for the Independence Weekend. Yes! Wow, and it makes sense. Because you have the Emperor, right? You're in control, Cancer. All the reading, I've been giving you readings since March. And you're in control, you know what you're doing. You got the fire here. Delight. Fire. Which is very similar to Three of Wands. Just waiting for the next bounty to come your way. Just keeping a good head on your shoulders, doing the right thing, and then you're being bold and making the first move. There you go. That's how you're going to find your path to independence. Snake, you're going to shed your old skin. And see, Cancer, you're so good at that. You're so good at that. You know, like, because it's like, okay, shake it off. Shake it off. Now you got to trust. 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 Star Keeper. Yes. Oh, yes. Star Keeper. Cosmic Ancestor. Seed the light by staying grounded. That is your middle name. That's what Cancer's middle name is. Staying grounded. Okay? And then here you are, Rado. Woo! Chariot, travel, evolution, journey. And that makes a good soul, Cancer. You are using all of the tools that you're given by God. And he says, hi, by the way. He wants to say hello. And so you're giving all of these tools. You're smart enough. You're just reinventing. Listening to the higher power. Trusting. You're going to do fantastic, Cancer. Happy 4th of July. Yes. We'll see you every Saturday. Thank you for being here. We appreciate it. We're here, Tess, with God Sent Me Tarot, Grogu the Child, and see you next Saturday. Aloha. Namaste. Peace. And God bless you.